Hey everybody, welcome to T-Roy Cooks. I appreciate you joining. Today we're doing a throwdown with my brother Sean over at Moonshine's Roadhouse. If you're not familiar with his channel, he's got a fantastic cooking channel. Click the link up here in the corner and that'll take you straight to his channel. Go ahead and subscribe and then come right back over here and finish watching this great video where we're doing a throwdown with some buffalo wing style pork ribs. I got me a rack of baby backs. We're going to be doing buffalo style. I think it's going to be fantastic. And I'm not quite sure what my brother Sean over Moonshine's Roadhouse is cooking. I know he's doing some ribs as well, but I'm not sure how he's doing it. We didn't really talk, but it's going to be a throwdown. And I wish my brother lived a little bit closer so we could actually taste each other's ribs and do a real throwdown like we used to. But it's going to be a good show. We're cooking on the GrOven today. I've got some pecan wood, so we're doing some live fire cooking on the GrOven. And right now the GrOven's on sale, folks. You just hit the link down below in the description box to take you to the website. They're running a special sale right now, $4,500, free shipping anywhere in the lower 48 states of the U.S. So get your hands on a GrOven, folks. It's a fantastic cooker. It's probably my favorite, to be honest with you. Food always comes out fantastic. We're cooking about 250 to 275 Fahrenheit. Let me get these racks. I got 3 racks, 2 of them just regular barbecue style because we got to feed the family. The third rack though is the throwdown rack. We're doing that buffalo style. Let me bring you along. Get these rubs on the ribs and let's get them on the GrOven.
T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, cooking up some barbecue for you. T-Roy's chilling in the backyard grilling, showing you that you can cook it too. Always with a beer or whiskey, but he cooks responsibly.
Alright, here's the baby back rack that we're going to do buffalo style. Again, Worcestershire. Now, I hadn't decided yet, still kind of winging it as I'm doing this, but I may opt to cut these ribs out and deep fry them. So if I decide to do that, I definitely don't want to put a rub that's going to burn like a regular barbecue rub. And what I got here is some of these, the 2 Gringos Chupacabra rubs. This is a special blend. I actually have never tried this, but looking at the ingredients, I don't think we have to worry about it burning or anything if I deep fry it. I love all the Chupacabra rubs, man. It's good stuff. There we go. Do the other side. Hey, when you're looking for a rack of ribs, you see all this marbling in here? That's what you want, some striations of fat running through the meat. That's a good rack. Come on, T-Roy, get the lid off of there. Where you at, Moonshine? Hot ding. There you go. All right. These all rubbed up real nice. Well, it's got some nice chunks of garlic and onion and stuff in here. I like this rub. That's looking nice. There we go. Cover all your bases, folks, just like that. All right, let me go throw these on the GrOven. I just want to show y'all real quick. We are cooking with some real wood down here. Live fire cooking at its best, folks. So this is the GrOven. If you hadn't seen it, it's got a firebox over here. You can also grill directly over the wood. They got a grill grate that'll fit in there. I hadn't shown that yet, but I've got one. And of course the GrOven here, it's got a nice vent, and this has a adjustment screw right here. You can tighten or loosen it to keep this where it's at. Go ahead and open her back up. Let's throw these ribs on. Just like that, folks. I'm all scrunched up. Come on. There we go. Straighten them up, T-Roy. Just like that. And these are already looking fine. Alright, folks, now what we're going to do, we're going to let those go for probably 2-3 hours. We'll check on them then. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, folks, we hit the 3-hour mark on these ribs. I haven't touched them since y'all saw them last time. Let's check them out, see what they're looking like. Here we go. Alright. I'd say they look pretty doggone nice. What do y'all think? Get your little zoomification going on up in there. How's that? Woo, doggy. Where you at, Moonshine? Thought I'd spritz them up just a little bit. Little apple juice with 50-50 mix of apple juice and apple cider vinegar. And just going to hit them a little bit. Now these two racks on the left, those are the ones that I'm going to just regularly cook barbecue. And if y'all missed earlier, this is the one on the right side that we're doing the buffalo wing style. Man, I'll tell you what, I wish you was here to smell all this here moonshine. It's going to be good. And I'll tell you what we're going to do. Let me get you backed out where y'all can focus on my face. There we go. All right. Put the lid back down real quick too. Anyway, we've been cooking about 250 to 260. 255, 260 to be more precise. But the GrOven's doing great. Maintaining temps is fantastic on this thing, folks. I just can't tell you enough about it. Oh yeah, the Throwdown with Moonshine. That's what I was going to tell you about. Those ribs. The ones we're doing buffalo style. I want to get some smoke on them. You know, which we've done. They've been in there 3 hours. I'm fixing to take them off. We're going to let them cool off a little bit. Then I'm going to batter them up and we're going to deep fry them babies. We're going to be making us some fried pork ribs. And then we're going to put some buffalo wing sauce on it. It's going to be good. You know what though? I was talking about moonshine. Let me see if I can get old Moonshine on the phone for you guys real quick. Hang on just a second. All right, had to go back inside and grab my phone. Let's see if we can give old Moonshine a call real quick on FaceTime. Let's see. Hopefully y'all can hear that.
Hello?
Moonshine, what's up, bro?
Hey, what's up, dude?
Hey, you hear me all right, bro? You see me?
Yeah, I see you. Is my connection kind of slow?
Yeah, it's a little choppy.
Is it? I
Yeah.
might have to switch routers, man.
I'm a hey everybody, that's Moonshine. That's my brother Sean. Ha! There you go. That's pretty cool, huh?
I'm chilling on my deck too, man.
Yeah, me too, bro. Me
Switch
too.
this thing around.
Me too. I just wanted to show you my ribs, man. What you cooking today?
Well, I did some, I actually did my ribs yesterday,
Yeah?
but I'll show you what I'm doing today. How you flip this thing around? I'll show you. I just got done cutting grass.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Yeah, I'm just chilling on my deck, man.
All right.
I got the yard. Look, I got both my fans blowing.
Yeah, I got one going over here too, man.
Yeah, I did. I actually cooked mine yesterday for the cook-off because I had opportunity. But check this out, man.
Yeah, we throwing down, bro.
Oh yeah, we throwing down. This one I'm doing today. I got another brisket on the Traeger.
Awesome. There you go, folks.
Yeah, I put it on about 8:30 this morning, but I'm not doing a video on that. But yeah, man. I hope your ribs come out good. Carrie just had some. The other ones, the buffalo ribs for lunch.
Oh yeah.
She loved them. She liked that better than the regular stuff. So.
Cool. Can't wait to see the video, man.
Oh, let me flip around. Hang on.
Yeah, how you flip this thing, man? I'm not technically
I think it's at the bottom.
Yeah, I got it. Okay, let me show you my ribs. There you go. I'm cooking on my GrOven. See my GrOven over here? I got my firebox going over there. Anyway, let's open this baby up. All right, there's my ribs. Now this rack right here on the right, that's the one we're gonna do buffalo style. These other two, that's for me and Karen and Mom to eat. My mom's visiting, folks. Yeah, Mama come to hang out with old T-Roy. Anyway, yeah, we looking good. We doing good. There's my GrOven.
Yeah, mine. I can't wait to edit this video, man, and put this up.
Well, cool, bro. I just want to touch base with you, see what you was cooking today, and let me flip it back around. You can see me. There you go.
That's cool, man. It looking good. How long you had them on for?
They've been on for 3 hours right now.
Did you do your sauce?
I got a store-bought sauce.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, I did. I'm cheating.
Hey, that's all right. I understand.
Yeah.
I know how it is when time gets short. That's why I put my brisket on this morning.
There you go.
I just cut my grass while the brisket was going. But no, man, the ribs come out real good, though. Those couple of pictures I sent you.
Yeah?
Yeah, come out nice and juicy, man. And
cool.
It wasn't really hot. Pretty good, though.
Good deal, bro.
And do a throwdown with you, bud.
Oh, yeah, we throwing, bro. We throwing down for sure. We ain't done a throwdown in a long time, and my fans requested it, and I think some of yours did, too.
Yeah, they did, man.
Yeah.
But I tell you what, if we live closer, we'd be cooking all the time, man.
Oh, I know. You got that right, bro. Sure do.
That'd be awesome, bro.
I know.
Well, that's cool, man. They're looking good, Troy. Man.
Moonshine's Roadhouse, folks. Y'all go check him out. The link will be up there in the corner. Trying to send you some business there, bro.
I hear you. Hey, I'll take it too, man.
Yeah, I hear you, man. I hear you.
One day I'm gonna be retired like you.
There you go.
Working on it.
Retired life's good. Tell you, man.
Yeah.
Well, man, I just want to touch base with you, see what you was cooking.
All right, bro. Yeah, I'm cool, man. Like I said, I did mine. I thought you was gonna do yours yesterday, but I know you got tired of doing some stuff. But,
yeah.
I went ahead and got mine out the way so I can have me a nice chill Sunday. So.
Yeah, I'm just chilling out watching some NASCAR myself out back. You know, got my fan on me. We doing good.
Take a left. Take a left.
Hook a left. Hook a left. Hook a left. All right, bro. I love you, man.
Love you too, brother. Y'all be safe over there.
Good talking to you, and see you soon, hopefully.
Oh yeah, man. Hey, I'll see you on the tube right there, and we'll check them ribs out. Probably what, this weekend?
Oh yeah, I think this weekend.
Okay, good deal, man. Sounds good.
I should be done editing, and won't be no ribs left. So yeah, this weekend.
Yeah, same here.
There you go. All right, bro. I love you, Sean.
Love you too, bro.
Appreciate it, bro. Talk to you later.
All right, bye, y'all. Talk to you later.
He's a good boy, I tell you, man. My brother Moonshine. Y'all go check him out. Seriously, man. Link will be up in the corner. Let's pull them ribs off. Let them rest a little bit. The ones we're gonna do the buffalo style, and then I'll show y'all after I heat up some oil what we're gonna do to get those ribs immaculate, man. Immaculate. This is a throwdown, and I'm bringing it all out for you, folks. So y'all stay tuned. We'll be right back. All right, so we're inside now. Let me catch you up to speed. When I brought the ribs in, let them cool off, I then put them in the oven for 2 hours at 250 degrees Fahrenheit and let them finish cooking in the oven. So that's where we're at now. We need to cut these ribs into individual ribs, and then we're going to batter them and deep fry them. All right, so I got the ribs all individually cut, and this is how we're going to fry them, just individual ribs like this. Man, they turned out excellent though. Check that out. Nice looking ribs. All right, next step. I already got my breading here. I got a little milk with an egg beaten up in there, just for a little wash. And we just got to get this show on the road here. Do that. Just get a little bit wet. And just season your flour however you want. I usually do some all-purpose flour, with maybe a little bit of paprika or something in there. Try to shake off as much of that as you can, folks. I like to throw a little bit of, what do you call it? Baking soda. Not baking soda, baking powder, I'm sorry. Alright. Let me get all these did. We'll bring you right back. Alright, my oil's almost up to temp, and while you're waiting for the oil to come up to temp, if you want to do a homemade hot wing sauce, now's the time to do it. Let me show you what I got going on. I'm just doing a little simple cook here, folks. I didn't go all out on this. Got a half a stick of butter back here melting. I'm gonna throw in this bottle of Frank's Red Hot. Frank's is good stuff, man. My oil right here, let's see where we're at. We're at about 315, 320. So we're almost there. I'm gonna get it up to about 350, and we will fry up these ribs. All right, I'm showing 340. Let's go ahead and put these wings in. Not wings. Heck, listen to me. These are ribs. There we go. Don't put too many in there at a time. Don't put too many in there at one time. It's going to drop the temp on you. So I'm going to throw in 3. There we go. Let these go for well, about 4 or 5 minutes, or until the batter looks the right color for you, and we'll bring you back. All right, let's give them a look. It's been about 4 minutes. Oh yeah, that's what I was looking for. Yes, indeed. Beautiful color on them. I was going to sit these on a wire rack so that if you put them on something that's a hard surface, a flat surface, it's going to mess up your breading on there. So you need to put them on a wire rack if you can. There we go. do 4 of this next batch here. Got a little straggler right there, it fell off. That's going in. Alright, let me get these done and be right back. Alright, I think these ribs are probably ready. Let's check them. Yeah, baby. Awesome. Really, really nice. And it's just a light coating on here, guys. If I can find that little straggler I had in there a while ago. Where'd it go? There it is. I see it bubbling. There she is. Alright. Turn my fire off. And what we're going to do now, while I'm waiting for my sauce, I'm going to put these ribs in a 200-degree oven and just let them hang out in there until we're ready to sauce these babies up. Be right back. Alright, there's our ribs there. I just put a few on the plate, and I'm going to just, instead of dipping all the ribs in this sauce, I'm just going to drizzle some of this sauce over the top right here. That'll work. Looking like a professional did it right. Where you at, Moonshine? Something like that. Alright guys, as y'all can see, I done totally messed up. Man, I went to shoot the end of this video for you and put all the food up and everything. Thought everything was good and we fine. But in the editing booth, I realized that last segment where I was biting into the ribs, it didn't come out. So I either forgot to turn on the camera record button or I ran out of battery. And I know I was real low on battery. So it just may not have cut on whenever I hit the record button. I don't know. So anyway, I'm having to reshoot it. Different day, different clothes, as you can see. But I want to tell you about those ribs, man. I left a couple of pictures in there, some close-ups of the plate that I made. I hope y'all enjoyed that, because that's the best I can do for you at this point. Like I said, the ribs have been eaten. So anyway, they were fantastic, man. I started to say fantabulous. They were very good. You can get that hint of smoke flavor in the ribs. They actually had a smoke ring on them, and that chupacabra rub, the special blend, it's a really nice flavor. I love all the chupacabra rubs. If anything, though, I would go a little bit lighter on the rub on the ribs next time using the chupacabra. I guess it has a lot of salt in it, and well, not a lot, but I put a lot of rub on the ribs is what I'm getting at. So I go a little bit lighter on the rub because it was a little bit salty by the time you added the hot wing sauce and all that to the end of it. It was just a touch bit too salty, but it was very good. Very good, folks. If you haven't tried fried ribs, please give that a try. That's some fine eating right there. Got to thank my brother Sean over at Moonshine's Roadhouse. Again, link up here. Y'all go check him out. Link be down below as well. Y'all be sure and check out those links down below. Just hit show more in the description. But anyway, I got to thank Sean for inviting me on for this throwdown. I thoroughly enjoyed doing throwdowns with you, Sean. And man, I wish we lived closer so we could actually taste each other's food. I would say that my fried ribs paired with Sean's homemade buffalo wing sauce, I think that would be a match right there, okay? I just used the store-bought, as you saw, and Sean actually made his own, so I bet that was better than mine. Homemade's always better, y'all. Yeah, Sean's got a great cooking channel. Y'all go check out Moonshine's Roadhouse. If you're not subbed, please go ahead and subscribe to my brother. I'd appreciate it. I know he would too. If y'all enjoy this kind of stuff, you want to see some more of me and my brother getting together doing some throwdowns, y'all let me know in the comments section down below, and by hitting that thumbs up button, I'd appreciate it. Hope you share the video, and folks, when you do, please tell all of your friends that T-Roy cooks responsibly. We'll see y'all next time. Cheers.